Hi, this is Hannah at the Blue Hill Library. I'm here today with another tip about using the online catalog. Today I thought I would talk about looking at the most popular items in our collection if you want to keep up with what other people are enjoying. So if you're starting from the catalog homepage, along this bar underneath the search bar, right where we looked at advanced search last time, there's this option for most popular. And clicking on that will take you to a list that automatically generates the top 10 most popular items that people have checked out that we've acquired in the last 3 months at the library. It'll give you the title of the item as well as the author. It'll show you what type of item it is here in this next column, and it will show how many times it's been checked out. Now, we haven't had a ton of checkouts in the last 3 months because we were closed for a good portion of that. So you might want to use some of these tools on the left-hand side here to change your search terms. Let's change it from acquired in the last 3 months to the last year and resubmit it. So now we get a little better idea of some of the really popular items at the library from the last year. The country music DVD series is at the top of the list with 79 checkouts. Of course, Louise Penny's new book, A Better Man, checked out 43 times. That was a really popular one. And so on down the list, you can see all of the different hot items that people have been enjoying in the past month or in the past year. Another thing you can change, especially if you're more interested, for example, in books, maybe of a particular genre or subject, is what type of items you're looking at. A lot of times the DVDs will float to the top of this list because they go out for shorter periods of times than books, so they tend to be higher on the list of popularity in terms of number of checkouts. But just like in advanced search, you can limit it to a certain item type if that's what you're interested in. So for example, we could limit it just to adult fiction and then see what's been the most popular in that category over the past year. Ta-Nehisi Coates being at the top of the list with his novel, The Water Dancer. And one other thing that you can change here on the left-hand sidebar is how many items. So we've been looking at a top 10 list, but you can go as far as looking at 100 titles if you wanted a really comprehensive list of what other people have been enjoying. And you can sort it by number of checkouts here. And start to see all kinds of good stuff. It also gives you the option to place a hold on it right from this list if you find something that you're interested in. I hope that helps you find good popular items for reserving in our online catalog.